Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word autumn. So here you see it written orthographically as we would write it for ordinary communication, but let's have a look at the script to allow us to dig a little deeper into how we pronounce this word. So here we've got the script from the Cambridge Online Dictionary, and first of all we can see that the word is divided into two syllables because of that blue dot in the centre, and we can also see that the first syllable gets the stress because of that blue mark top left. So we want the first syllable to be the strongest syllable when we pronounce this word. So repeat after me, stressing the first syllable, autumn. It might help for you to feel that stress if you do something physical like raising your hand higher as you say the word. So raise your hand for syllable 1 and then lower it for syllable 2. Have a go at that. Repeat after me, autumn. Good. So thinking about the sound in that first syllable, it's the or sound, which is a long vowel, and this is one of the areas where people sometimes make a mistake with this word. So when we get to the end of the video and we look at the orthography again, I'll mention that in more detail, but for now what we want is or. Okay, or. Syllable 2 should be fairly straightforward, I hope. Tum. So we've got the t, the schwa, the and then a m, which is a kind of nasalized sound. Tum. Repeat after me, tum. Now this is a syllable where people sometimes make mistakes, but again we'll look at the orthography in a moment to think about the common mistakes that occur with this word. So building it all back together, repeat after me nice and loud, stressing that first syllable, autumn. Again, autumn. So we're back to the orthography. This is how it looks when we write it. And there are two main mistakes that I tend to hear with this word. The first of the mistakes is with that initial vowel. Remember, we've just practiced it with the pronunciation or. But what you see here is an A and a U. And consequently, sometimes people will make the mistake of trying to pronounce this word ow, autumn. It's not an ow, it's an or. So that's your first tip. Tip number 2, the N disappears when we are saying this word. We don't say autumn or autumn, definitely not. The N is silent. Autumn. So repeat after me one last time for good measure, nice and loud. Autumn. Fantastic. So if you found that useful, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment or share. Let your friends know how to pronounce the word autumn, because we are indeed in Britain right now. We're in the season of autumn. So it's a useful word to have in your vocabulary. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out the homepage. There are lots of other videos on there for pronunciation and also IELTS preparation, so go check it out. Thanks for watching, enjoy the autumn and have a lovely day.